Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making a notebook per course so your materials stay isolated. This reduces context switching. Once created, add 3-5 sections like lectures, readings, notes, assignments. These act as folders for your attention. Then group related sections into a section group for a module or week. This keeps long courses tidy. Finally, enable OneDrive Sync now so every edit is backed up and accessible on phone and laptop. That prevents lost work when deadlines hit. Next, organize content to make retrieval instant. Create a page per lecture and subpages for topics or timestamps so you can jump straight to what you need. When you capture slides or web snippets, clip into the right page and add tags like at important or at question to prioritize review. Use ink or typed notes combined with short audio recordings during study sessions. OneNote's OCR and search across images means your handwriting and PDFs become searchable, saving time when you revise. Finally, synthesize and lock knowledge by summarizing each week on a single page. Use bullet checklists to track readings and tasks so you stay accountable. Build review pages with spaced repetition cues and a tagged cue/a system to convert notes into active recall practice. If something goes wrong, like syncing or missing pages, force a sync, verify OneDrive status, and export critical notebooks locally to avoid data loss. That quick troubleshooting keeps study momentum without technical interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.